What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? We decided to do a reaction video for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We in LA right now, so we decided to come try out Dave's hot chicken. You know what I'm saying? We got the Reaper tenders. We got spicy chicken sandwich. You know, got another extra Reaper tenders. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to get into it and try this, and hopefully our mouth don't catch on fire. Hold on, I ain't introduced myself. As y'all may know, I said I ain't introduced myself. My name's Jeremy.
And I'm just, my bad, I'm jumping on these fries.
And we are
the Farrar Twins.
These fries right here. Them the Reaper tenders. Let me get my water real quick.
He don't want to get a water, but he won't want to get them. I just wanted a nice old salad.
He lying. He told me, John, we should get them all.
No, I
And we should just get all the levels of spicy and just see how hot they is and do a video. So I'm like, you right. Let's try it. I'm eating it with you though. So I said we can bite it at the same time.
No, you want to eat them, go ahead. You
Bite
go
it
first
first
and I'll
time.
go after you.
Oh, because if they're too hot, you ain't gonna do it. No. Yes, I am. It's the Reaper hot tender, y'all. This may be the hottest thing I ever tried to eat, because the hottest thing I ever had was probably
Tabasco sauce
and Cajun tenders from Wingstop.
Come on.
You wanted it, come on. Ain't that bad.
They probably got to kick in.
They ain't that bad. They probably got to kick in. They probably hot. I thought they would have been hotter than that. It's hot though. Yeah, but I thought it would have been hotter than that. You probably got to eat all of it. That's why. The spicy noodles are hotter than that. It's hot. Don't get me wrong, but it ain't hot where we can't stand it. Well, I can't stand it.
No, these hotter than the noodles, bro.
You think so? They hotter than noodles? They ain't hotter than the noodles to me. They good. Dave's hot chicken. I think y'all did something here. I'm good. I'm gonna drink some of this water though. Like I said, there ain't nothing I can't handle. I'm still gonna drink some of this water though.
Again?
Ooh. They hot though. Don't get me wrong. They are hot. But it ain't like I can't stand it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I think my eyes can make the tear up, son.
You said you're getting a star on your eye? Okay. Well, okay. Make sure you gotta make sure you get some enough sleep too, so it can go down. Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Bye, Sting. Love you. Good night. Give me a kiss. Love you. Them ones is hot. Okay. Bye bye. Them ones hot. I don't know why you wanted them.
They hot. I think they still ain't hot as noodles to me though.
For
real.
These hotter than noodles. I can eat the noodles more than you though.
Maybe. But you gotta compare it to the first time I ate noodles on time.
Cause we eat that whole thing.
I just took another bite though.
Yeah, but we eat the whole thing.
gonna take a bite of this sandwich. Nah.
Well, you could have been cut the video off. We just did it.
My nose.
I was tasting it all for him.
My nose going. My smack gonna get on my food.
Dave's hot chicken, y'all did something.
We gonna get up here. As y'all know, my name's Jeremy.
I'm just.
And we are the Farrar Twins.